Hey guys, quick update on my MBLY trade. I closed it today. My stop loss was hit. I'm just going to go over the overall trade setup and management because that's what I do. All right. Overall look here, you can see it kind of formed a base, nice rounding bottom. It's over the 50 SMA, the 10 EMA, and then the 20 EMA. I made a video on entry. I was looking at these levels here, the blue lines for breaking, and specifically it was this 16-ish level here. And so taking a look, 22% short float, nothing crazy days to cover wise, but this is what I mostly pay attention to here. Looking at daily entry wise, this is how I managed it. I entered, I think it was on Tuesday. Nope, I lied. Monday. Entered on Monday at this 30-minute volume bar here. After, chopped sideways, undercut Friday's low, and then came back in that range and closed near the high of the day. So I entered, it was around the afternoon time. It did have the anchor VWAP around here. I didn't wait for it to close. I held through on Tuesday and Wednesday. My 2R target was 1782. I just missed that by a few cents, unfortunately. Oh, these are poor highs though. 57, 1757. So this is eventually got to come back up here and break. There's a lot of competitive selling at that point there. Anyways, so almost at my 2R target. My mistake on this was as soon as I hit 1R, which is, I think my stop loss was 69 cents. Stop loss was 69 cents. So who's good at quick math? Not this guy. So 16, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 04, 14, 17, 13. That was my 1R, 1713. I should have moved my stop loss up to break even, just so, I would have not took a 1R loss. It's good management, right? This kind of went from green to red. I guess I need to get back to that practice. And paying myself maybe take a third off because, even when I I notice in myself that even when I make small gains, even if it's just like a third, maybe like 0.5R, and then move up my stop loss, it still feels good to lock in some gains compared to a 1R loss. Yeah. So I think I'll start doing that again. See, this is the problem. I shouldn't be thinking about this. It should just be the process, right? It just should be it's what I do, and I just simply didn't do it. Anyways, so that failed. It took out this low here, 1575. It was a low. It was a break of this low, of the Monday's low. So we got some decent liquidation in, and it just continued on going down. So where it's at right now. Green line here. This is the anchored VWAP from earnings. So it respected this. I respected it here on Monday the 4th. And so now it is back here on Thursday. We'll see what happens at this area. You can see there's a high volume node here. Right here in this range, also on this day and here, this day, there's a lot of overlapping value that it's kind of coming into. So we shall see. Maybe it pulls back all the way down to this 1440. I was kind of eyeing the 20 EMA here, 1494-ish. Maybe some of these anchored VWAPs, if I go to the daily here, stop moving that, sorry. We're hitting a supply area up here. And then this line, I just put this in there. This is an anchor VWAP from this prior high right there. So I don't know, maybe I should have put that there. Hindsight's always 20/20. And kind of what I'm watching for is this close at 2001. So this closed on the low. I'm kind of looking for that gap right there. That's what I'm having my eye on. And get them down. So that's the supply area. If it chops up enough, and eventually sucks up all the supply that's selling here. It'll go up and fill that gap. So I think it's just a matter of time. It definitely looks like it's putting in base and consolidating. It's breaking highs. It just failed to hold this level. So again, some levels I'm kind of looking at is maybe this 1470, this 1480, pretty close to the 20 EMA. The anchor VWAP from this low here is at 1460. So this 1480 to 1460-ish range would be pretty interesting. I would just watch it on a 30-minute time frame to watch for a potential reentry. Because overall, this, I do think this is fair game to head higher. My timing here just wasn't the best. And the market's been pretty volatile. It's went explosive, a huge run up. There's a lot of profit taking. I think I was a little late to this run because I decided to sit out last week when everybody made the moves last week. And now I'm kind of chasing and playing catch up, even though the setups are there. Just the overall market is now profit taking, I think, from everything. So, anyways, all right, that's my trade. That's how I did it. It was 1 hour loss, and yeah, manage my risk. I'm alive. I trade another day. Hopefully, this helps. Learn from your mistakes and keep on learning. Take care, guys. Later.